Yusuf, and welcome back to episode 2 of Yusuf's toy unboxing. So last time we made this one, but let's just not get too carried away. If you haven't watched the first episode, go watch it now, please. And today we're doing this dig kit. Fun fact, I actually have a rock collection and it has some pretty rare and cool rocks and seashells. So anyways, let's get started. So now we're gonna open this. And then let's see, what do we have here? Okay, so we have, I'm just gonna put everything so that we have once again a clear view. So now we are going to observe what we have. We have a little magnifying glass, a paintbrush. Ooh, I wonder what that's gonna be for. And then what is this, like a chisel? I don't know. And then we have some kind of plastic bag. Oh well, whatever. So now we're gonna put everything away. And now we're gonna read the dig kit instructions because I think that's what we're gonna be doing first. So wait, actually, pause. So this is me over here. This is me. Today, so we have this little science thing I made at the Home Depot, and we're gonna examine all of the rocks we had, and everything. Not like rocks, but like a collection. So let me go open this. God, it's so hard. Okay, you know what? Oh, thanks. Okay, so we're gonna start with the coins, and I've put these. So now we're gonna start with this one. This is how it looks, and these are apparently from 3,000 years ago. So there we go. It might be a little bit blurry.
I think it's just pretend.
Oh, the pretend microscope.
Pretend ancient money.
Okay, so that was. Okay, so you guys can tell me what you guys can see. You guys can drop it off in the comments. And if there is none, then whatever. So anyways, this is the first side. Now we're gonna do the second side. Not gonna lie, this is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool set. You get okay, and then this is the second one. Anyway, so now we have a couple more stuff to do. Next, we're gonna do the other coin. There should be 2 coins, okay? Okay. And now we're gonna start with the first side. And yes, it looks a little bit ancient, but that's because it was from 3,000 years ago. Let's see here. Okay, so I can see a cross and a plus. And then there's letters around it. Let me try and read it. The letters are LIPPVS VDG HIS PAN PHIL. Okay, and that's all. Okay, so you guys can tell me what you guys see here on the second one. You can go take a little screenshot. It was good just until that right moment there. Okay, so I see some letters on it. I'm pretty sure it was LHPVE700. Republica? What? Okay. Now we're gonna do another one. Oh, it's here. This one. Now we're gonna have some. Now we have these gold things. We're starting from smallest to biggest. Okay. So now This is the next one. It's like these golden nuggets or ingots. I know I can't scrape all of them off, but that's kind of just like how they do. Now this is the second one. If you guys see like anything weird or anything. I know it is shining a little bit. But now anyways, now we're going to the biggest one. And then that's all, yeah. Okay, so you guys can tell me what you see. Type it in the comments and bye.